Greetings, seekers of cosmic wisdom and manifestation. Today we'll explore a topic that resonates deeply with the core of human existence, the signs that indicate you're on the brink of attracting all your desires. This knowledge is not just about material gain, but about aligning with the universe's abundant flow and living in harmony with your true purpose. The law of attraction, a principle as old as the universe itself, states that like attracts like. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs act as magnets, drawing to us experiences that match our inner state. When we learn to harness this law, we become conscious creators of our reality. But how do we know when we're truly in alignment? When can we be certain that our desires are about to manifest? These are the questions we'll answer today, unveiling 6 profound signs that signal your imminent alignment with your deepest wishes. We'll explore this topic in 4 parts. First, we'll examine the fundamental nature of desire and its role in the cosmic dance of creation. Then, we'll uncover the first 2 signs that your desires are on the verge of manifestation. Next, we'll reveal 2 more signs and delve into their spiritual significance. Finally, we'll explore the last 2 signs and learn how to maintain this state of alignment. Let's begin by understanding the nature of desire itself. In many spiritual traditions, desire is seen as the root of suffering, but this view often misses a crucial point. Desire, in its purest form, is the universe's way of evolving through us. Our desires are not random whims, but cosmic impulses guiding us towards our highest potential. When we're in alignment with our true nature, our desires naturally align with the highest good for all. They become less about personal gain and more about expressing our unique gifts in service to the world. This shift in perspective is key to unlocking the power of the law of attraction. The first sign that you're about to attract all your desires is a profound sense of inner peace. This isn't a passive state of resignation, but an active, vibrant stillness. You'll notice a decrease in anxiety about the future and a growing trust in the unfolding of your life. This peace arises from a deep knowing that everything is working out for your highest good. You no longer feel the need to control every aspect of your life. Instead, you trust the wisdom of the universe and your own inner guidance. When you experience this peace, take a moment to fully savor it. Notice how your body feels, how your mind quiets. This state of being is your natural birthright, and the more you recognize and appreciate it, the more it will expand in your life. The second sign is an increase in synchronicities or meaningful coincidences. You might start noticing repeated number sequences, like 111 or 444, or you might have chance encounters that lead to unexpected opportunities. These synchronicities are the universe's way of winking at you, confirming that you're on the right path. Pay attention to these signs, but don't become obsessed with looking for them. The key is to maintain a state of relaxed awareness, trusting that the universe is always communicating with you. These synchronicities often carry messages or guidance. For example, if you keep seeing the number 888, which in numerology represents abundance and financial success, it might be a sign that your financial desires are about to manifest. Or if you repeatedly encounter people talking about a specific topic, it might be guiding you towards a new area of growth or opportunity. The appearance of these first 2 signs, inner peace and synchronicities, indicates that you're entering a state of flow with the universe. You're no longer pushing against the current of life, but allowing yourself to be carried by it. Think about your recent experiences. Have you noticed a growing sense of peace, even in the face of challenges? Have you experienced an increase in meaningful coincidences? How have these experiences shifted your perception of your life and your desires? As we continue our exploration into the signs of imminent manifestation, we find ourselves stepping deeper into the cosmic dance of desire. This dance is not a solo performance, but a harmonious partnership between our individual will and the universal flow. The third sign that you're about to attract all your desires is a sudden increase in your energy and vitality. You might notice that you're waking up feeling refreshed even before your alarm goes off. Tasks that once felt draining now invigorate you. This surge of energy is not just physical but mental and emotional as well. This increase in vitality occurs because you're aligning with your life's purpose. When we're in tune with our true calling, the universe supports us by providing the energy we need to fulfill it. It's as if we're tapping into an infinite cosmic battery. Notice how this energy feels in your body. It's not the jittery buzz of caffeine or the forced push of willpower. Instead, it's a steady, sustainable flow that seems to come from a deep well within you. This is the energy of creation itself, flowing through you. The fourth sign is a shift in your perception of time. You might find that time seems to slow down or speed up in unusual ways. You could enter a state of flow where hours pass like minutes when you're engaged in activities you love. Or you might experience moments of timelessness where you feel fully present and connected to the eternal now. This altered perception of time is a sign that you're syncing up with universal rhythms. In this state, you're no longer bound by linear time, but are tapping into the cyclical, spiraling nature of cosmic time. When you notice this shift, don't try to control or analyze it. Instead, allow yourself to fully experience it. This state of timelessness is where manifestation occurs, in the gap between thoughts where all possibilities exist simultaneously. These two signs, increased vitality and altered time perception, indicate that you're entering a state of heightened creativity and manifestation power. You're no longer just existing in the world, but actively co-creating with the universe. This state of co-creation requires a delicate balance. On one hand, you need to hold a clear vision of your desires. On the other, you must release attachment to specific outcomes. It's like planting a seed. You need to know what you're planting, but you also need to trust the natural process of growth. To maintain this balance, practice visualizing your desires with all your senses. See them, hear them, feel them as if they're already real. Then, release this vision to the universe, trusting that it will manifest in the best possible way. Remember, the universe often has plans grander than we can imagine. Your desires might manifest in unexpected ways that are even better than what you initially envisioned. Stay open to these possibilities. As you experience these signs, you might wonder, am I truly ready for my desires to manifest? This question itself is part of the manifestation process. It invites you to examine your beliefs about worthiness and abundance. If you find resistance or doubt arising, don't push it away. Instead, welcome it as an opportunity for growth. These doubts are often the last obstacles clearing away before manifestation occurs. Reflect on your recent experiences. Have you noticed an increase in your energy levels? How has your perception of time shifted? How have these changes affected your ability to work towards your goals and dreams? In our next segment, we'll explore the final two signs that your desires are about to manifest. We'll also discuss how to maintain this state of alignment and what to do when manifestation occurs. Are you prepared to step fully into your power as a conscious creator? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of manifestation, we approach the final two signs that indicate your desires are on the brink of materialization. These signs represent the culmination of your inner work and alignment with universal forces. The fifth sign is a profound shift in your emotional state. You'll notice a pervasive sense of gratitude and joy, even for the small things in life. This isn't a fleeting happiness dependent on external circumstances, but a deep-seated contentment that wells up from within. This emotional shift occurs because you're aligning with the frequency of abundance. In the universe, abundance isn't just about material wealth. It's a state of being that recognizes the inherent richness of existence. When you tap into this frequency, you naturally feel grateful for all that is, even as you welcome more. Practice cultivating this state by regularly acknowledging the abundance already present in your life. Each morning before you rise, name 3 things you're grateful for. Allow the feeling of gratitude to fill your entire being. This practice isn't about forcing positive emotions, but about recognizing the truth of your abundant nature. The sixth and final sign is a sudden influx of inspired ideas and intuitive hits. You might find solutions to long-standing problems effortlessly arising in your mind. Or you might receive clear guidance about your next steps, often in unexpected ways. This increase in inspiration and intuition happens because you're opening yourself to higher levels of consciousness. You're tapping into what some traditions call the Akashic records, or the collective unconscious, a field of infinite intelligence and possibility. When you receive these inspirations, act on them promptly. The universe often provides guidance in the moment it's most needed. Delaying action can cause the window of opportunity to close. These final 2 signs, emotional elevation and increased inspiration, indicate that you're entering a state of energetic resonance with your desires. You're no longer just attracting your desires, you're becoming a vibrational match for them. This state of resonance is the true secret of manifestation. It's not about forcing the universe to give you what you want, but about aligning yourself with the reality where your desires already exist. To maintain this state of resonance, practice what I call living, as if this means embodying the person you would be if your desires were already manifest. How would you think, feel, and act if you already had everything you wanted? Dive from that place now and watch as reality reshapes itself to match your inner state. As you experience these signs, you might ask yourself, what if my desires don't manifest exactly as I imagined? This question invites you to release attachment to specific outcomes and trust in the wisdom of the universe. Remember, the manifestation process often unfolds in ways we can't predict. What arrives might look different from what you initially envisioned, but it will always be what you truly need for your highest growth and evolution. If you find yourself becoming impatient or doubtful, return to the present moment. The now is where all your power lies. It's in this moment that you can choose your thoughts, feelings, and actions. And it's these choices that shape your reality. Reflect on your journey so far. Have you noticed an increase in feelings of gratitude and joy? Have you been receiving more intuitive insights or inspired ideas? How have these experiences changed your approach to manifesting your desires? As we reach the crescendo of our exploration into the signs of imminent manifestation, we find ourselves at the threshold of a new reality. This final segment is not just about recognizing the signs, but about integrating them into your daily life and navigating the responsibilities that come with manifesting power. When your desires begin to manifest, you might feel a mix of excitement and overwhelm. This is natural. You're stepping into a new version of yourself, one that's more aligned with your true potential. Embrace these feelings as part of the growth process. But remember, Manifestation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing dance with the universe. As one desire manifests, new ones will arise. This is the nature of human experience. We are always evolving, always reaching for new heights. To maintain your manifestation momentum, create daily rituals that keep you aligned with your desires. This could be a morning meditation where you visualize your ideal day, or an evening reflection where you acknowledge the day's blessings. The key is consistency. These rituals act as anchors, keeping you connected to your manifestation power even amidst life's chaos. As your desires manifest, practice radical acceptance. Sometimes what arrives might not look exactly like what you envisioned. Trust that the universe has a broader perspective and is bringing you what you need for your highest good. With great manifestation power comes great responsibility. As you become more adept at shaping your reality, consider how your desires impact the greater whole. Are your manifestations contributing to the well-being of others and the planet? Are they aligned with your highest values? This doesn't mean you can't desire personal success or material abundance. It's about expanding your perspective to include the collective good in your desires. When your personal desires align with universal well-being, the power of your manifestations multiplies exponentially. As you step into this new reality, you might encounter resistance from others. Not everyone will understand or support your journey. This is where your inner strength and conviction become crucial. Stay true to your path, even if it means walking alone for a while. The right people and opportunities will naturally gravitate towards you as you continue to raise your vibration. Remember, the ultimate goal of manifestation isn't just to acquire things or experiences. It's to become the fullest expression of who you truly are. Each desire you manifest is a step towards embodying your highest self. As we conclude, I invite you to pause and feel the power that resides within you. You are a cosmic being capable of shaping reality with your thoughts and emotions. How will you use this power? What kind of world will you create? The signs we've explored: inner peace, synchronicities, increased vitality, altered time perception, emotional elevation, and heightened intuition are not just indicators of impending manifestation. They are invitations to live in a new way, in harmony with universal forces. As you move forward, carry this knowledge with you. The universe is not separate from you, but is expressing itself through you. Your desires are cosmic impulses, guiding you towards your highest potential. Trust in this process. Trust in yourself. You stand at the threshold of a new reality. The symphony of the universe is playing your song. Will you step onto the cosmic dance floor and move in harmony with its rhythms? The choice, as always, is yours. Trust, believe, and watch as the magic of manifestation unfolds in your life.